you get married while on wheelchair or after marriage or during marriage?
No, it's after marriage.
That you came on a wheelchair.
Yes.
Are you on a wheelchair?
Yes.
All right, hold on. Did you get married while on wheelchair or after marriage or during marriage?
No, it's after marriage.
That you came on a wheelchair.
Yes.
Since you're on a wheelchair, how would you hold your phone?
My hand is working. It's only the leg.
I know your hand is working, but how long are you going to hold it? Do you have a place like to? I just want you to feel comfortable and don't speak up or something like that.
Let me hold it. Let me hold it. Let me hold it so that you hear me clearly.
All right, go for it. Welcome, my sister.
Thank you, sir. I married in 2015, which I have 2 kids. But when I got married, we settled down in Ogbomoso before we come down to Ibadan due to his work. He worked with Attorney General for your state here. He's a PA. So we relocated in 2020 to Ibadan here. So that time I got another pregnant for him, making 2. So after I get back to the second one, 2022, May 6th, I was going to go and make here for my children, the 2. I hold one, I back one. I don't enter a motor, which I don't climb Okada. I wanted to cross. So they told me, because after the incident, I don't know anything again, that the motor that is coming from Lagos State going to Ilorin, they stop him at Iwo Road that is driving reckless. So one police enter inside the motor in the driver's seat. They are dragging the steering. That the police said he want to drive into police station. The driver refused to follow him, that he's going to Ilorin, that he can't follow him. So they are dragging the steering. Where they are dragging the steering, the motor came to me and my children. At that spot, they let me know that the 2 children died. So they carried me to UCH. When I got to UCH, I spent 3 months there inside the coma before they refer me to ward. So I survived with spinal cord injury. I spent 3 months there, making six months. So when I got home, they disclosed the story to me that this what happened. I now asked my husband that, you know me, I know that I don't have parents anymore, which my siblings, they don't even have power to take care of me. This injury that I survived with is permanent injury. That we are the people that put me inside this trauma, they killed my children and I survived with spinal cord. And I need to continue with my life, that I'm still alive. You should let me know or should carry my siblings along, that federal police is involved. In fact, the governor is aware. All those commissioners, they came to me that time. So all those meetings they did with him, he don't even allow my siblings to know about it. Talk like they will no area to call me or to do something for me. Instead, when I asked him, he said that I should hold on for him. They are doing something on it. A week after, I was discharged with cast from my neck to my toes. So I can't stand up. I lie down like 2 years like that. They are bathing me, they are eating there. So I now let him know that he should carry my siblings along, because I know one day, he will tire of me. I've seen the sign. So there is a day, caregiver is with me, taking care of me. That one, he don't used to come out. It's once in a month, once in a 2 months like that. So there's a day, he just came like that. I was like, wow. So I let him know that I want to pay the caregiver, I want to do this. He now told me that tomorrow is my birthday, that he needs to come out to do some things. And he don't allow any friend, any siblings than my blood to check on me. Nobody know the area that I'm living. So he gave money to the nurse to go and buy something that is going to work. So after the nurse left, me only me inside, he called me on phone that, what of the nurse? And I said, the nurse have gone and buy something. And I said, no problem. He called the phone. Within 3 seconds, I saw 3 guys. They wear black, but they don't cover their face. They asked me that, am I the one bearing Jumake? I said, yes, I'm the one. They saw me my picture. With the picture that showed me and my husband went to the same institution. No one have the picture So even though they don't mention his name, I know he's the only one that have the picture. So when they saw me, and I said, from where? They said I should not bother. So there's two guys, they went out to go and discuss, they came in back. They now asked me what happened to me, why am I being on the cast? And I explained to them that I had accidents which I've lost 2 children. I survived with spinal cord injury. The guy now said, wow, so you are the one they send us to come and clear. Never, they can't do such to me. But they will just advise me to look for a way to pack off the house if I don't want to die with pains. That they will let him know that they misplaced the house, they don't get me, but I should run for my house. That is the help they can do for me. So at that spot, I've lost control. I don't even have the phone to call because my phone have gone inside the incident. I was like, I can't discuss with anyone, even my siblings to call them. There's no with my hand. I just call when my caregiver came in and I explained to him that maybe he should borrow me his phone to download my Facebook back so I'll be able to get in touch with my friends, because I know my siblings, they don't have capability like that. So when I get in touch with them, I explain to them, this is what happened to me, but I need help now, that they should help me with money so that I'll go and look for the house to run for my life first. So they came in, they contribute for me. So when I'm looking for the house, and those guys, they give me a week that they may likely give the work to another person that I should try to live within a week. So when I look for a house, when I don't even get, I need to go and look for maybe one uncompleted building near the house. So we pack, go there, me and my caregiver. So 2 weeks after, when I got the house, because there's a orthopedic doctor, local one, I don't have money, he don't carry me to clinic. Talk less, I will be taking care of myself. So that's where I am. When I told my friend, this is the condition, I've got the house. So they came up, when they try, so they connect me with one woman on social media. They are called the woman Judge Risi, is a Yoruba woman. So I explained every damn thing to her.
Are you trying to say that your husband hired assassins?
Yes, because
Jesus
they
Christ.
don't mention his name, but the picture they saw me is the picture we take together during our convocation.
The picture, you know that he's the only one that can provide.
Yes, we took it together during our convocation when which I don't have any children anymore.
Continue, my sister.
So when I discussed with Judge Risi, the woman really tried for me. Is on TikTok live. So he paid for the physiotherapy so that my leg will not be tiny and black. So they removed the cast. She was the one cater for me, pay for the drug, house rent. So because getting to more than 3 years now, he paid for the caregiver for 2 years. And which I don't know the toilet and the urine if I want to toilet because of physiotherapy. So there's surgery that I'm supposed to do, but because I don't have the money, I'm using adult diaper. I can even do it inside my wardrobe. So he tried for me. After he paid for everything, so he gave me 2M. There is a man, Royal FM. That one gave me 1M, making 3M out of 2.5, out of 5.5, because the surgery is 5.5. So I paid the money, the receipt is with me. I paid 3.5, remain 2M. I deposit per payment. So that is how I'm coping. So friend, they came to me, they give me some amount so that I will not be folding and survive my hand is working for now. So I'm doing POS business inside my compound. So I do open the gates, people do come in, so that not that I will depend on them or be disturbing them every day. So that's how I'm managing. But I've not got the remaining change to do the surgery. And after, if they carry the surgery now, I will not be able to use manual wheelchair because of the iron they will put at my back. If I'm using hand to push it, it may be disarrange it. So I need motorized wheelchair too before they do the surgery. In fact, the consultants even advised me to get the wheelchair first before they carry the surgery.
So you lost your 2 children, you lost your legs.
Yes.
And despite all this, you're still managing your life by doing POS to save small money, just to meet up what you need for yourself.
Because of drug and buy every day, the dapper. I do dapper. So before I will eat, I can't be continuing be calling them every day. So I'm managing myself with that. It's only surgery and the motorized wheelchair that I'm looking for. Everything is inside my phone. I have the hospital card. I have the hospital report. The money that I deposit, the receipt is with me. Every damn thing, I can forward it to you to confirm it. And if you want to speak with my consultants, I can ask him so that if I talk to him, I can forward his contact to you to speak with him.
How do you live every day? How do you wake up every day knowing that you lost your 2 children, you lost your leg, and the same man you called your husband seems, allegedly by your own story, seems to be the one who has organized assassins to deal with you? How do you feel waking up every day with something like this?
It's not easy. Sometimes we wake up in the midnight, just remember my kids. I do cry. I do cry every day. I do cry because since then, life is not easy for me again. Life is not easy for me. I can't lie.
How old are your kids?
They died inside the incident.
How old were they when they passed?
The first one is 6 years. Why the second one is 6 months?
Can you please call your account so that people wait there here, we won't support you, could just support you. Then I'll still post it. Alright, just call your account number. People wait there here, we won't support you now, go support you. And hopefully if I post it, you get more support. Can you call your account number, please?
5699359447. Money points. Abdugani Kafilat.
Someone said they sent you 200k. Thank you so much.
Thanks so much. Thanks so much.